Okay, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Have you prepared questions? Okay, let's start
Yes.
discussing. Amal. Amal, first question.
Define identity.
Define
Eh?
options.
Option A, sense of oneself as a unique person.
Hmm.
Option B, a sense of someone else.
Hmm.
Option C, your body.
Hmm. Hmm. What's the correct option? Choose the most appropriate option. Option A, B, or C? Yes? A, B, or C?
A.
A. It is option A, isn't it?
Yes, correct answer.
Yes, correct. Avilash.
In girls, rapid growth in height usually begins 2 years before. Options: puberty, menopause, menarche, none of the above.
Puberty, menopause, menarche, none of the above. Menarche. Is it menarche? Yes, correct. Nestle said the answer. Alina, next one. Alina? Oh dear, you're not audible. Please fix the issue. Kevin? No? Emily?
Adolescent begins onset of dash. Sexual maturity, ability to reproduce, puberty.
Sexual maturity, ability to reproduce, and
Puberty.
puberty.
Option C, I think.
But it's kind of all of the above, no? Yes, in adolescence, when you achieve puberty, you attain sexual maturity. Then you also attain the capability to reproduce. Okay, so it can be all of the above. All right. Next one, Kevin.
Ma'am, dash is commonly defined as a stage of life that begins at the onset of puberty, adulthood, childhood, infancy, and adolescence.
Adolescent.
Adolescence. Correct. Alina? No. Malavika?
Yes, ma'am.
Question.
Dash refers to the variety of behaviors ranging from socially unacceptable behavior, legal offenses to criminal acts, delinquency, disorders, dependency.
Delinquency.
Yes, ma'am.
Delinquency, correct. Okay, Sanjana.
Formal operational thought in adolescence appears between the age of 13 to 14, 11 to 15, 12 to 13.
Formal operational thought.
11 to 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it 11 to 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mary. Not here. Okay, Emmeline.
Which of this sexual character includes signs of achieving sexual maturity? Primary sexual character, secondary sexual character, or both?
Can you repeat the question? It was not clear for me.
Both.
Which sexual character includes signs of achieving sexual maturity? Primary sexual character, secondary sexual character, or both?
Amal Roshan said it's both.
Secondary.
sexual.
Secondary.
Yes, ma'am.
The secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, Abhilash.
Dash is part of the adolescent's egocentrism that involves their sense of uniqueness. Options: imaginary audience, personal fables, centration, none of the above.
Personal fable.
Okay. Amal.
Define adolescence. Option A, process or state of growing to maturity. Option B, process of growing from adult to the old age. Option C, when you get old. Option D, when you are a child.
Option A, B, C, or D?
Option A.
Correct answer.
Correct answer. Kevin. Not here. Nestle, if you have a question, you can put it in the chat box. Malavika, next one.
Ma'am, I'll say after one person. Ma'am.
Okay, Sanjana.
Rapid acceleration in growth is called menarche, growth spurt, none.
Answer. Can you repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am. Rapid acceleration in growth is called menarche, growth spurt, and none.
Rapid acceleration in growth.
Growth spurt.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Growth spurt. S-P-U-R-T, growth spurt. Okay. Rose. Can't hear. Put it in the chat box. I'll read out. Rose, I cannot hear you. Okay. Question from Nestle. For boys, the growth spurt generally begins at the age of dash. Option A, 10 to 11. Option B, 12 to 13. Option C, 14 to 16. For boys, growth spurt begins at the age of
12 to 13.
12 to 13.
12 to 13, Nestle? Yes, correct. Then next question. Sanam, have you prepared questions? No. Alina? No, I cannot hear you. You also, if you can, put it in the chat box. Kevin, what about you?
Ma'am, can I get my turn later, ma'am? I'm facing some issues.
Yes. So there is nobody else left, no? Emmeline?
Piaget called this type of thinking as hypothetical deductive reasoning, abstract, logical, idealistic.
Logical.
Logical thinking is hypothetical deductive reasoning. Yes, Abhilash.
According to Eric Erikson, dash can lead to individuals isolating themselves from peers and family.
Hmm.
Options: imaginary audience, personal fables, identity confusion.
Imaginary audience.
No,
No.
Personal fable.
no.
Option C.
Which is the left out option?
Identity confusion.
Identity confusion. David Elkind has described about personal fable and imaginary audience. Eric Erickson's concept is always I think only we have dealt with only two stages, no? Trust versus mistrust and the identity versus role confusion. That's all. And I think so. So identity confusion, that is a very important part in the adolescent stage. Either they form an proper identity, or they'll face this identity confusion. We also call it role confusion. Okay, so when you hear the term, when you hear the name Eric Erikson, remember about either trust versus mistrust, or this thing, identity versus identity confusion. Okay, next one. At what age gap does the adolescent thinking expands more in abstract terms and reason about them? Okay. Options 16 to 19, 11 to 15, 11 and 15.
11 to 15.
And 15.
Correct? 11 and 15. Yes, correct. All right. Did I miss any question? No. Next one, Amal.
What is the range of adult adolescence stage?
Hmm.
Option A 31 to 39, option B 51 to 59, option C 11 to 19, option D 21 to 29.
Answer. Very difficult question. Answer.
Eleven to 19.
Correct.
Okay. Devika.
Dash is the ability to think about the future and be able to set realistic and achievable goals. Vocational commitment, personal fable, or imaginary audience.
Tell the answer.
Answer is vocational commitment. It comes on the page number, 1 second, ma'am. Page number 79, paragraph, the first paragraph.
Did you find? Vocation commitment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next one. Next question is here in the chat box. Adolescents dash makes them think that no one understands them or their feeling. Emotions, options are emotions, sense of uniqueness, changes.
Emotions.
Sense of uniqueness.
Lina, what is the answer? Option B, sense of uniqueness. Okay, that is coming again in David Elkind's concept, personal fable and imaginary audience, I suppose. That's topic. Okay, next question, Mary.
Ma'am, in which development, puberty or sexual maturity marks the end of childhood and signifies the beginning of adolescence, which is characterized by dramatic physical changes in both growth rate and sexual characteristics. Option A, physical development. Option B, cognitive development. Option C, none of the above.
Option A, physical development.
Yes, right answer.
Okay. Next question. Dash is another form of eating disorder in which the individual follows a binge and purge eating pattern. Binge and purge. Option A, anorexia nervosa. Option B, bulimia nervosa. Which one? Binge and purge. Bulimia. Correct? Yes. Bulimia nervosa. Next question. Kevin, are you ready?
Ma'am, dash is adolescents' belief that others are preoccupied or as preoccupied with them as they are about themselves. Options are imaginary audience, personal fable, identity crisis, and delinquency.
Okay. Answer.
Imaginary audience.
You said imaginary audience. Correct. Next one. Those who cannot ask, please put it in the chat box. I'll read out. Sanjana.
Identity confusion is also called role confusion, identity crisis, and both.
Identity crisis.
Role confusion.
Ma'am, it's option C, both.
Both. Okay. Usually in Erickson's theory, what happens is there are crises in each stage. Okay, like I told you, in Erik Erickson's theory, it's a psychosocial theory, and there are crises in each stage. But we say that there are two things that are developed. Like in first stage, it is either trust or mistrust. Like that, in adolescence, we develop either identity or identity confusion. Okay, but crisis also happens there. That is there in what do you call adolescence. But mainly we give these terms: identity or identity confusion or role confusion. Okay, fine. Next one, Emilian.
Which are the two factors influencing adolescent? Family, society, parents, peers, beliefs, or culture?
Parents and peers.
Parents.
Yes. Next question. The question is in the making. Okay, Abhilash.
The term adolescence is derived from the Latin word options: adolescent, adolescer, adolescence, and none of the above.
Adolescent.
Adolescer. Okay. Amal, next one.
Who is mature faster, boys or girls?
Huh? Who is
mature faster, boys or girls?
Maturing faster.
Girls.
Correct answer.
Yeah, that's related to the puberty stage. Okay. Then Devika.
Hypothetical deductive reasoning is seen during which stage of cognitive development? Pre-operational, concrete, or formal operational?
Pre-operational, concrete, or formal operation? Yes.
Formal operation.
Formal operation.
Yes. Mary, next one.
Ma'am, dash is an eating disorder that involves relentless pursuit of thinness through starvation. Option A, anorexia nervosa. Option B, eating disorders. Option C, bulimia.
Anorexia nervosa.
Anorexia nervosa.
Correct? Yes, anorexia nervosa. Next question. Yeah, delinquency is often associated with dash. Delinquency is often associated with dash. Peer group, that's option A. Option B is parental support. Option C is negative attitude.
Negative attitude.
Parental support.
Yes. Okay, next question. Alina has posted. Physical development during adolescence is also accompanied by a number of dash changes. Option A, emotional. Option B, psychological. Option D, developmental.
Psychology.
Correct? Option B, psychological. Correct. Okay, Kevin.
Dash refers to the variety of behaviors ranging from socially unacceptable behavior, legal offenses to criminal acts. Options are identity crisis, delinquency, personal fable, and imaginary audience.
Okay. Answer? What is the answer?
Delinquency.
Delinquency.
Correct? Delinquency, yes. Then Sanjana.
Ma'am, I'm out of questions.
Okay. Amal.
What circumstances keep young people from going to work early life in life and help contribute the extension of to go to the stage of an adolescence? Option A, moving of forms. Option B, child labor laws. Option C, compulsory education laws. Option D, all of.
Okay. Answer? Answer? You want him to repeat? Yes? Yes, please repeat, Amal.
What circumstances kept young people from going to work early in life and help contribute to the extension of the stage of an adolescence? Option A, moving of farms. Option B, child labor laws. Option C, compulsory education and studying laws. Option D, all of the above.
What is the answer? Anybody knows?
All of the above.
Is the right answer.
Okay. Next one. Okay, formal operational thought appears between the age of dash 11 to 13, 11 to 15, 10 to 13.
13.
Huh? Formal operational thought.
11 to 15.
11 to
15.
11 to 15, she says. Correct answer? 11 to 15, yes. Then next question. Adolescents take recourse to smoking and drugs as a way of coping with. I hope it's coping and not copying. Coping with happiness, stress, addiction. These are the three options. Option A, happiness. Option B, stress. Option C, addiction.
Addiction.
Stress.
Did you hear the question?
Ma'am, it is stress.
Stress.
Option B, stress is the answer. Adolescents take recourse to smoking and drugs as a way of coping with dash. Happiness, stress, addiction. These are the options. Okay. So correct answer is stress. Okay. I'll give you one assertion reasoning question. Listen carefully. The assertion is development is multi-directional. Okay. That is the assertion. Reason. There is a reason. Yeah. Reason is some dimensions or components of a given dimension of development. I'll repeat. Some dimensions or components of a given dimension of development may increase while others show decrement. So first of all, when you get assertion reasoning question, what will you do? You'll check for the truthfulness of both the sentences. So first sentence was development is multi-directional. True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Now let's look at the second one. Some dimensions or components of a given dimension of development may increase while others show decrement. So true or false?
True.
That is also true. Okay. Now, do you think the reason given is the correct explanation of assertion? How will you check that? You'll add a because. After assertion, you'll add a because. So we'll see that. Development is multi-directional because some dimensions or components of a given dimension of development may increase while others show decrement. Does that make sense? Yes, so it will be option A. That is, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Understood? This is how you'll find out assertion reasoning. Okay. Now, okay, another question. In Durganand Sinha's ecological model, that comes under which part? What view of development?
Contextual view of.
Contextual view of development. General geographical environment is a part of which of the following layers? Okay. General geographical environment is a part of which of the following layers? Option A is surrounding layers. Option B is upper layers. Option C is lower layers. Option D is both 2 and 3. That is both B and C. Geographical environment. General geographical environment comes under which category? Surrounding, upper, lower, or both upper and lower?
Surrounding layer.
So it's surrounding? Not so sure. Take that and see. Take page number 69. Again, that part is very important. There is no bolded points there, but you have to read. So many points are coming there. Okay. The elements of the surrounding layer of ecology constitute the general geographical environment. Then we have two other points also. It comes in the second last paragraph on the left side, page 69. Okay. The period from conception to birth is known as the dash period. What is it? Conception to birth. What is it called?
Prenatal.
Prenatal. Don't forget that. And it lasts for about
40 weeks.
40 weeks. Prenatal period is from the conception period to the birth stage. Okay. Then ecology of the child could be viewed in terms of two concentric layers. Which theorist has proposed such a model in Indian context?
Durganand Sinha.
Durganand Sinha, correct. Then full form of UNDCP. UN you already know.
United Nations Drug Control Program.
Drug control program, are you sure? You didn't miss any point?
International Drug Control Program.
United Nations International Drug Control Program. I is missing. Yesterday even I made a mistake, remember? When I read it, I told UNIDCP something, no? Yeah, I is there. So it's a bit tricky one, so learn it by heart itself. United Nations International Drug Control Program. It comes on page 80. United Nations International Drug Control Program. Okay. Then, in whose study were the baby monkeys separated from their birth mothers after 8 hours of birth?
Harlow.
Harlow and Harlow. And what was the theme of the study?
Contact comfort.
Contact comfort is okay, but under what in development did we study that?
Attachment.
Attachment, yes. Then reflexes are very important. We have to learn that we are not again, we don't have any more days to revise reflexes and infancy alone. That's why we focused more on that topic initially. Dash's adolescents believe that others are as preoccupied with them as they are about themselves.
Imaginary audience.
Imaginary audience or personal fable?
Imaginary audience.
Imaginary audience, correct. Personal fable is again in terms of the uniqueness. Okay. And the feeling that nobody understands me. That is coming under personal fable. Okay. Then, which is the transition period from childhood to adulthood? What is it called in human development? Adolescence. Don't mark teenage and keep. Okay. It is formally called as adolescence. Then encephalocaudal principle. From where to where is the development taking place? Cephalic region to the caudal region. What is it? What is it?
Head to tail region.
Head to tail region. From head region to the tail region, that is cephalocaudal. And from here to the extremities, that is proximodistal. Okay. Then when you study, please look at the picture. Google the picture and see. So it will be registered in your mind. Okay, so cephalocaudal is like this, from up to down, and proximodistal is like this. Okay. Then Piaget's stage of cognitive development, in which an infant explores the world by coordination of sensory experiences with physical actions, is called as dash. Sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage.
Sensory motor.
Sensory motor.
Sensory motor. Yes. Sensory experiences and physical actions or motor actions are coordinated. That is it. Then when a finger or some other object is pressed against the baby's palm, baby's fingers close around it. This reflex is called
Grasp.
grasp reflex. Okay. This will be replaced by dash later on in life.
Voluntary grasping.
Voluntary grasping. We call it voluntary grasping. That is grasping by our own will. Like I'm doing this on my will. See, I'm grasping it, isn't it? That is voluntary grasping. But in newborns, it is a reflex. That is automatic built-in reaction to stimulus. Okay. Now, development is influenced by an interplay of option A, biological processes, option B, socio-emotional processes, option C, cognitive processes, option D, all of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above. In the introduction part, we have the three types of processes that are interwoven together, which brings in the whole development. And that is why development is said to be multi-dimensional, multi-directional, and so on. Okay. Then age range of each stage in Piaget's theory. That's also very important. You have to know from when to when is sensory motor, when to when is the pre-operational, concrete operational, also formal operational stage. What is the onset of menstruation called?
Menarche.
Menarche. Yes. Which among the following would you consider as delinquency? Option A, legal offenses. Option B, vandalism. Option C, truancy. Option D, all of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above. Focusing on a single characteristic or feature for understanding an event is called
Centrism.
Centration.
Yes. Huh?
Concentration.
Centration. Okay. Yeah, that's it. We'll discuss the rest of the questions. Devika.
Dash in adolescence lead to aggressive, anxious, depressive, and unpredictable behaviors. Delinquency, substance abuse, vandalism.
Substance abuse.
Okay, Evelyn, next one.
Puberty is not a sudden process, but it is a dash process, gradual, suddenly occurring, or both.
Answer.
Gradual.
Correct. Amal, next one.
As the adolescents move towards independence, the wise parents. Option A, read the teen's email. Option B, keep firm control for the teen's well-being. Option C, give the teen the opportunity to make more choices and decisions, and as a resources. Option D, resist the teen to clothes, styles, and dress.
Answer. Answer, please. You want him to repeat? Can you repeat, Amal?
As the adolescents move towards independence,
Hmm.
the wise parents.
Hmm.
Option A, read the teen's email. Option
Read
B,
the?
teen's email.
I did not understand.
It means that reading that teenager's email.
Emails. Okay, okay.
And option B, keep firm control for the teens' well-being. Option C, give the teen the opportunity to make more choices and desire and acts as a resources. Option D, resist the teens to her on his wish clothing styles and dresses.
Answer. Did you mean it as option C? Is that the right one? Amal? Yes. Okay. I don't completely agree with that. Okay, Abhilash.
Learning to differentiate between rightness and wrongness of human acts comes under options: cognitive development, physical development, motor development, and moral development.
Moral development.
Okay. Shall we wind up then? So I think we'll get only one more class before exam. So prepare questions from the next section. Only adulthood is pending, no? Adulthood and old age till the last page. So prepare questions from there. It's comparatively easy, easier than the other one. So did we miss any topic in between? No. Okay. So adulthood and old age for Monday. Okay. So then you're having leave, no? So enjoy the holidays. Okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.